Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter data handling and today we will discuss the topic mean. We can say arithmetic means average also, that we are finding the average here also. What is the mean formula? Mean formula is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. We are doing firstly find out the mean of ungrouped or row data. This is the mean of ungrouped or row data, that is sum of observation divided by number of observation. Let's take example. Your first example is the daily maximum temperature recorded in degree centigrade at Delhi during the first week of July 2013 was as under 39. Here example number first 39, 37, 38, 28, 30, 35, 36. Find the mean temperature recorded. What is the question? Daily maximum temperature recorded in degree centigrade. डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड किया गया है डेली फॉर द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई 2013 वॉज एज अंडर फाइंड द मीन टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्डेड. हमें इसका मीन टेम्परेचर फाइंड आउट करना है. देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मीन टेम्परेचर? दैट वी नो दैट फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस मीन टेम्परेचर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ ऑल गिवन टेम्परेचर डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. मीन्स कितनी बार रिकॉर्ड किया गया उस टेम्परेचर को डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. देन व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल ऐड ऑल 39 प्लस 37 प्लस 38 प्लस 28 प्लस 30 प्लस 35 प्लस 36. हाउ मेनी डेज? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. मीन्स नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन 7. Now add it. 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 5 37, 37 plus 6 43. 4 carry. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9, 2 11, 12 13 14, 3 17, 3 20 24. Then your answer will come in 0.73 are 21, 33, 7 4s are 28. Then remaining is 5 50, 7 7s are 49. Then your average temperature will be 34.7 degree centigrade. So what we will do here? We will do sum of all observation. It means जो भी हमें observation की value given है उन सबका sum divide by number of observation. Total कितनी observation given है? Find out the mean value. Okay, see the next example. Following are the ages of 10 teachers in a school. 10 teachers की ages given है 32. ages of 10 teachers. It means number of observation कितने हैं? 10. Example number 2. 32, 41, 27, 54, 36, 25, 28, 57, 40 and last one is 38. Now see the question what is given to you. Following are the ages in years of 10 teachers in a school. First question is, what is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? Oldest teacher. Firstly, we can arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, if you will arrange, then you can find out the minimum age 25, then 27, then 28, then after 28, 32, after 32 you can take 36, 38, 40, 41, 54, 57. Youngest teacher age is 25 and oldest teacher is 57. Next question, find the range of the ages of teacher. Range, how to find out the range of data? That highest value minus lowest value. That is the range of the data is 32 years. Next is given to you, find the mean age. Mean age, it means sum of all ages divided by number of observation. Then sum of all you can do 25 plus 27 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36 plus 38 plus 40 plus 41 plus 54 plus 57. And we know that total number of observation there is 10. Now add it, 5, 7, 12, 12 or 8, 20, 22, 28, 28 or 8, 36, 37, 37 or 4, 41 or 7, 48. 4 carry, 2 to 4 to 6, 3, 9, 12, 15, 19, 23, 28, 28 or 5, 33 or 4, 37. Then what is the average age of the teacher? That is 37.8 years. So we can solve this question like this. Okay, now see example number 3. Find the arithmetic mean of number 3, 0, minus 1, 7, 11. Same thing, sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Okay, question number 4 also. A group of students was given a special test. The test was completed by various students in the following time, in minutes. Find the mean time taken by the student to complete the test. So, given time divided by sum of all the given time divided by number of time. How many number of students here? That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then divide by 10. Then you can find out the average time. How many students took more than the mean time to complete the test? Then firstly you find out the mean. Then see the number of times more than average time. If the students who took 37 minutes had taken only 23 minutes to complete the test, what would have been the mean time? It means 37 minutes replace by the 23 minutes, then calculate again your mean time. Okay, now see the example number 5. The mean age of 5 children of a family is 12 years. Very nice question. The mean is, question number 5. The mean is of 5 children of a family is 12 years. If 4 of them are 11, 13 and 16 years. Find the age of fifth child. See how to solve this question. The mean age of 5 children of a family is 12 years. We can say what is given to you. Mean age of 5 children is equal to 12 years. If 4 of them are 6, 11, 13 and 16, find the age of fifth child. Let the age of fifth child x year. Then total how we can write down? 6, 11, 13, 16 and x. How to find out the mean? Then apply the formula. Mean is equals to sum of all ages 6 plus 11 plus 13 plus 16 plus x and divide by number of children 5. Mean is given to you 12. Then it becomes 6 plus 11 17 plus 3 20 10 30 40 46. Do cross multiply. We know that how to solve the equation. 12 5s are 60. Then find the value of x by transposing it. 10 minus 6 4, 5 minus 1. It means what is the average of what is the age of fifth children? That is 14 years. So we can write down. So the age of fifth children is equal to 14 years. Example number 6 is also very good example. Example number 6 say, given that the mean of 5 number is 27. Mean of 5 number is 27. If one number is excluded, the mean becomes 25. One number excluded, then mean becomes 25. Find the excluded number. See, mean of 5 number 25. देखो mean का formula होता है mean is equal to sum upon total number. It means if we want to find out sum, then it becomes mean multiplied by total number. So mean of 5 number is this. Then sum of 5 number. We can find out mean multiplied by total number, that is 135. One number is excluded. One number excluded, it means how many numbers remaining? 4. Then sum of 4 number. Then 4 number mean become given to you 25 into 4, that is equal to 100. तो टोटल 5 नंबर थे, सपोज ए बी सी डी ई. इन 5 पांचों का सम है 135 और इन 4 का सम है 100. देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ई, मीन्स फिफ्थ नंबर, दैट इज एक्सक्लूडेड नंबर becomes sum of 5 number minus sum of 4 number. That is 135 minus 100 is equal to 35. So this time we can find out the excluded number. Now see, this is a ungrouped or row data mean. That till now we find out the mean of ungrouped or row data. Now we find out the arithmetic mean of an ungrouped frequency distribution. How to do it? Given to you. Find the mean of the following example. This one we can clear with the one example, that it is given to you x and f. X 5, 15, 25, 35, 40. Frequency given 7, 8, 20, 10, 5. We want to find out the mean of this table. हमें इस टेबल का मीन फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ वी फाइंड आउट? सी, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? x फ्रीक्वेंसी 7, इट मीन्स उस टेबल के अंदर जो 5 है वो 7 टाइम्स लिखा गया है. तो 5 अगर 7 टाइम्स लिखा गया है तो उस हम 5 को 7 टाइम्स अगर ऐड करते हैं, देन यू गॉट 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. और अगर हम 5 को डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दें 7 से, देन ऑल्सो वी गेट द सेम रिजल्ट 35. सो फॉर दिस ग्रुप डाटा व्हाट वी विल डू, वी फाइंड आउट द XF. इट मीन्स हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि x ऑब्जर्वेशन जो है वो कितने टाइम्स रिपीट हो रही है, तो टोटल उसका सम कितना आएगा? 5 7 ज़ा 35, 15 8 ज़ा 120, 25 20, 500, 35 into 10 350, 40 into 5 200. अब हम क्या करते थे, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये 35 आ गया, फिर 15 को 8 टाइम्स ऐड करते तो 120. तो ये सारे क्या करते जाते हैं, 15 को 8 टाइम्स रिपीट कर दिया, इन सबको सम करते. तो व्हाट वी विल डू हेयर ऑल्सो वी फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ दिस. अब इस सम को शो करने का वे क्या है, दैट वी यूज वन symbol here, that is called the sigma. This is called sigma XF. It means we are adding all these values. हम इन सबको ऐड कर रहे हैं, then this, that's why we are denoting this as a sigma XF, or somewhere may be written XI FI. I is what? If we want to take I is equal to 1, then it becomes X1 F1. It means this first observation 5, second F1 7, then you will get X1 F1 is equal to 35, X2 F2 120, like this. So we are adding all these observations, all these values, that becomes 5, 5 to 7 or 3, 10, 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 1, 11 or 1, 12. Then you will get sigma XI FI is equal to 1205. फ्रीक्वेंसी डिनोट करती है नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन को. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन लेने के लिए वी विल शो इट लाइक दिस, समेशन ऑफ योर सिग्मा ऑफ FI. तो 7 + 8 15, 15 + 5 20, 20 40 और 10 50. इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन है 50 और उन सबका सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन आएगा 1205. मीन फाइंड आउट करने का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ मीन इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा ऑफ XI FI इज इक्वल टू अपॉन सिग्मा ऑफ FI. सेम थिंग, सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. ओनली द वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग इज चेंज हियर बिकॉज वी हैव ग्रुप फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. कि हमने ग्रुपिंग कर दी है कि 5 7 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है, 15 8 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है, तो वी आर डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट द रिजल्ट. मीन्स हम 1 1 1 ऐड नहीं करके हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उस ग्रुपिंग को मल्टीप्लाई करके एक साथ राइट कर रहे हैं. देन आफ्टर वी विल ऐड ऑल दीज वैल्यूज, देन यू गेट सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन, एंड इफ यू ऐड ऑल दीज फ्रीक्वेंसीज देन यू गेट नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. दैट बिकम 1205 डिवाइड बाय 50. Answer is 24.1. Then mean becomes 24. Wait. Okay, I write here 40. Okay, 24.1. So this time we will find out the mean of this group frequency table. Okay, the height in centimeters, similar way you can find out all your answer. All the table is given to you. We are doing one more question related to this. See here, x and f given to you. X value 2578 and f value 2463. Then what we will do? Firstly, we find out xf or xi fi. 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 7 into 6 42, 8 into 3 24. Then sum of all observation, 4 plus 4 to 6 or 4 10, 2 4 6 to 8 or 1 9. Summation of F5, total number of observation 3 plus 6 9 plus 4 13 plus 2 15. Then mean is equal to summation of xi F5 divided by this, then you will get your answer 6. So you can complete your exercise 15A according to these examples and do properly mean described in two ways. One direct, when row data is given to you, and when group data is given to you. That data is arranged in some particular form. Then how can you find out the mean? Okay students, complete your 15A exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.